Vehicle recovered into us with low oil pressure and also the warning on the dash with the engine management. As you can hear, it's very rattly. Engine management lights on. And also there's the warning for the oil pressure low and also the oil can warning on the dash. As you can hear, it is a very noisy engine. On initial investigation, you can see that this has had an oil leak. Just going to check his oil level. Oil level, there is plenty in there, but it does smell. This could be an indication that it's not been serviced correctly. So we'll carry on with the investigation. So the first thing I'm going to do is to remove the vacuum pump and inspect the oil gallery on there just to see if there's any debris. And then the next port of call, we'll be removing the sump to inspect the exit oil strainer. As you can see on the bottom of the vacuum pump, there is debris. Looks like possibly from the actual belt breaking up itself. So the next part of the investigation now is to strip down to get to the sump off to investigate the oil strainer to the oil pump. Currently draining the oil out of the sump so it can be removed. Took a sample of the oil. As you can see, it's very dirty. I don't know when the last time it was changed, but yeah, looks very bitty as well. So we'll carry on stripping the sump off. As you can see, it's showing segments of belt breaking up in the sump strainer. So I'm just going to remove the cap now, see how much debris is in there. As you can clearly see, that strainer is absolutely full of broken up belt from degradation. There's actually probably no oil getting sucked up to the top of the engine there, because that is absolutely blocked. With that amount of debris inside that oil pump, and obviously having it in the actual vacuum pump as well, I would have to say that that debris is more than likely moved its way up through all the oil galleries to the top of the engine. At this point, I'd have to recommend either a new engine or new oil pump, vacuum pump. Flush the engine as best as we can, but I still wouldn't be able to guarantee.